This is Baby Gaga. The dwarf hamster. There's the face.
Aww.
Apparently he doesn't
Don't want his butt.
You mean she?
see here. Here's the face.
Aww. Whose is it?
Stacy's. With this baby, well, hamster sitting him.
Uh-huh.
And yeah.
What do you think?
Stacy, if you're watching this, sorry, but he's okay.
She